अगर हम देशी बीजों से संकर बीजों के तुलना में ज्यादा उत्पादन लेते हैं इस विधि में, तो संकर बीज खरीदने की आवश्यकता ये देशी टमाटर एक बार जो खाएगा वो संकर टमाटर नहीं खाएगा। कोई भी देशी टमाटर लीजिए आप, उसको अंदर से देखिए पूरा भरा है, पूरा भरा है, दबाओगे तो आपके कपड़े पर गिरता है। अगर खाते समय ज्यादा दबाओगे तो अपने आंखों में भी आता है, इतना पूरा है। इसका यानी एसिड क्या बोलते हैं, आम्ल विम्ल जो रेशो होता है वो बहुत
स्ट्रक्चर नहीं बनाऊंगा, लेकिन बेल वर्गीय जो पौधे हैं, ये सर्जन है, इसके बगल में आपने देखा होगा पापड़ी लगाई हुई है, बराबर। और इसके बगल में अब मैं अंगूर लगाने वाला हूँ। कुछ सर्जन के बगल में ये दो
Nestled in the heart of Ganjam district, Odisha, is a man who pondered over these very questions and decided to act. His name is Sri Kahnu Behera. Sri Kahnu Behera's journey towards sustainable agriculture began as an epiphany. He saw firsthand the damaging effects of chemical-intensive farming, the degradation of soil health, the decline in biodiversity, the toll on human well-being, and he knew there had to be a better way. A way that worked with nature instead of against it. That's when he stumbled upon the teachings of Dr. Subhash Palekar. Dr. Subhash Palekar, a name synonymous with zero-budget natural farming, sparked a revolution in Sri Kahnu Behera's mind. Through his books, lectures and demonstrations, Dr. Palekar painted a vivid picture of farming that prioritized soil fertility, water conservation, and minimal external inputs. Sri Kahnu Behera, inspired and motivated, decided to implement these practices on his own farm. As with any significant change, the shift to natural farming was not a walk in the park. Sri Kahnu Behera faced skepticism and resistance, not just from his peers, but also from conventional agricultural establishments. But he stood his ground, holding firm to his beliefs, and soon enough his perseverance bore fruit. His crops thrived, his land rejuvenated, and his well-being improved, bolstering his faith in the potency of natural farming. But Sri Kahnu Behera's story doesn't end with his personal triumph. His success echoed throughout the community, inspiring fellow farmers to follow suit. Through workshops, field demonstrations, and knowledge-sharing sessions, he empowered others to reclaim their agricultural heritage and embrace sustainable practices. It's important to recognize Sri Kahnu Behera's tireless efforts and unwavering dedication to promoting natural farming. His commitment to environmental stewardship, community empowerment, and sustainable agriculture serves as a bright guiding light in a time of ecological uncertainty and agricultural distress. To wrap it up, Sri Kahnu Behera's journey is a testament to the transformative power of individual initiative and the potential of sustainable farming practices. His story is a reminder that change, though challenging, is possible, and that every step taken towards sustainability counts.